Today I declare over your lives as you begin a new month, may everything become new in your lives in the name of Jesus. Everywhere you set your feet, may you possess your possessions. May the blessing of God be your portion in the name of Jesus. May God perfect all that concerns you this month in Jesus' mighty name. Welcome to my channel, lovely. God bless you. So today, lovelies, I'll be making this simple African princess hairstyle. Okay, that's the name I gave it, okay? It's very beautiful and it's cute. So please continue watching so that you understand everything I did. It's very simple. Even if you cannot lift a finger when it comes to making hair, trust me, you can do this one all by yourselves, okay? So keep watching. Thank you so much. To my returning subscribers, I'm grateful. I'm honored. Thank you for all your love and support. To those watching my video, say may God bless you. Please do subscribe to my channel. Support your girl. Please do support us. Help us grow. Help us grow. May God bless you. May God increase you. Please do like and also comment and share, okay? Thank you so much. God bless you. So this hairstyle can be achieved in two ways, okay? The first is braiding from the beginning, which is my preferred way of making this hairstyle. And the second one is if you cannot braid, you can use crochet, okay? You will see the other one right here after this one, okay? So after braiding, I also started applying my rubber bands, okay? I used 4 packs of rubber band for this. I think it was remaining just few rubber bands, okay? If your child has more hair, then be sure you will use more rubber bands. If your child has more hair and long hair, okay? So yeah, that's just all about the video. Keep watching. God bless you. So here I'm trying to twist the hair, just rolling it so that I can put it in between my weave so that it will not be obvious on the outside, yeah? So that it can hide the major hair in between, okay? So that's the trick here. So keep watching. And note the bead is not necessary. You can finish it up with the same rubber band at the end, but because I'm a lover of beads on kids, on baby girls, so I decided to use bead with mine, okay? So any which way you like, trust me, you can pull off this style all by yourself. You don't need to go to any styling shop to do this, but if you're the type that does not have the time, of course, you can also make the style out there, okay? And be sure you are going to love it and your baby girls will love this style. It's very beautiful. Keep watching till the end. God bless you. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe, comment and share. Please, I'm counting on you. I am a baby girl. We are counting on you. She's just 2 years old and she's always here with us to support my channel. You understand what I meant? Okay, so thank you and God bless you. We love you. So with the crochet, all you have to do is pass in the crochet pin in between the hair, then get the weave and put it this way, the same way I'm applying it. Just put it in between and then bring it out again from this other hand, okay? That is just that. Then afterwards, you bring it out and try to hide the hair or your child's hair in between, okay? Just like that, you hide it in between, then you start applying your rubber band. So simple. This is a protective hairstyle. With this hairstyle, you don't have to worry about hair breakage. As long as the rubber band beneath is not too tight, then your child's hair is safe with this hairstyle. If you're watching till this far, God bless you. I'm so grateful and honored. Please don't forget to subscribe, also like, comment and share. We are counting on your support. Thank you so much. We are ever grateful. God bless you. And note, you should cut the extension according to the length of your child's hair, okay? And be sure that the back should be a bit shorter than the front side, okay? Just according to the length of your child's hair. Yeah, thank you. So one thing with rubber band is your child can never feel any pain on their scalp. See how she's dancing here and enjoy herself. Just wanted to chip that in. So this hairstyle, you can leave it down or pack it in 2 ponytails depending on what you prefer. And that's the end of our video, guys. Let's know what you feel in the comment section. What do you think? Do you think this style is given? Thank you so much. God bless you for watching till the end. We are so grateful, and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye. We love you.